have probably opened WhatsApp on your laptop or computer and thought, what if someone else sees my messages? Maybe you share your computer, maybe you use it at work, or maybe you just want more privacy. The problem is WhatsApp on computer doesn't clearly show how to lock it. So many people think it's not even possible. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and safe way to lock WhatsApp on your laptop or computer step by step. No confusing settings and no extra apps. Make sure you watch until the end to not miss any step. Let's get started. First, make sure you open WhatsApp and go down here to settings. Then go to privacy here. Scroll down and go to app lock. To be able to lock your WhatsApp with a password, you have to enable this button here. Here you're gonna enter a password. Make sure you enter password that you can remember, then re-enter your password that you have written here. This is all you need to do to lock your WhatsApp. If you have found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next video.